sir. Oh my gosh. Let's go racing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? I'm gonna go racing today. Yes, that was frost on my window. Good news, we're racing in Tulsa, so we don't have to travel far. Bad news, it is cold out there. Good news, it's gonna be sunny. Bad news, still gonna be kind of cold out there. So, what we're gonna do here this morning, we got the cord plugged in. We're gonna get this thing all warmed up before we get out to the track. So there's all my cords. I got heaters here, got a heater on the block. Anyway, what we're gonna do is turn the heater on, get this thing kind of pre-warmed up before we get out there. So anyway, let's get this day started. No frost, a lot better. Sun's up too, there it is. So let's go ahead and get things loaded up and get ready to go to the track today. So here we go. Okay, let's get this thing started. Yay, it starts. Okay, got everything loaded up. See the trailer is actually behind me now. Anyway, yes, we have Pops here today. We're going to Tulsa. This is a one day with 2 bracket races in it. I'm not too sure how the format is. I think it's it goes race 1 for no E, then I cycle through the classes, then I go to race 2 and cycle through the classes. I think that's how they do it. So you just have to be on our game, which race we're going to be in and all that stuff. So anyway, lucky it's in Tulsa, it's just right down the street, so no sonic stop for us today. So anyway, so let's go ahead and get on down the road and get set up and get this day on. As you can tell, it is a beautiful day here. Right now my thermometer out there is showing 41 degrees. So yeah, it's gonna be cool, but no wind, so we should be good to go. It's cold. Get the temp in it. I'm gonna get some fajitas. Here, finally got a picture of our lunch. It's good. Okay, we're done with qualifying for both. And at Tulsa, they have these apps that keeps track of your time and all that stuff. That was qualifying 2. This is qualifying 1. So I'm on the left lane here. The 10 red there. This one a little bit better. 35 green. So anyway, car's running good. Hope we can continue, get some decent lights and get some wins here. So I'm gonna get ready to go on to round 1 elimination. Just a reminder, this is 2 races. So how that's gonna run is you're gonna run round 1 first race, round 1 second race, and they keep going back and forth, alternating between the races. So just have to keep on our game and hope we can go deep rounds in both of them. So here we go. That's race 1, round 1, and we did get the wind light on it. I had a great light. I had a 12 and ran dead on my number. Dialed 655 and ran 65 with a no. Good package. So anyway, on to the next race, round 1. Here we go. Okay, race 2, round 1. Yep, green. So I got a green on that one. Yeah, light wasn't as good. It's 058. Another guy had 111. Plus he broke out. I was gonna run dead on my number, but I dragged the brake. Anyway, on to round 2 for both of them. No buybacks today. So anyway, it's a good thing. So round 2 for both races. Here we come. Guys, still good news. We won both rounds in each of the, both run second round in both races. It's kind of confusing, but anyway, so we're going on round 3, both races. So here we go. Decent lights. That one was a 15 on that one, and the one before that 30. So we're doing pretty good on the lights. Just need to keep it up, keep winning these rounds, see if we can get this thing winner circle today. So here we go. Like I said in the car, yep, that was a bad light. That was not even in the same ball field. Anyway, I don't know if you can see that or not. But yeah, did to myself that one. Car was running decent, it was running its number. That slowed down just a tick, but oh well, that is what it is.
Side by side, here we go. We'll
be out here for the Thanksgiving race. That's here in a couple weeks. So hopefully we do a lot better then. So anyway, let's get this thing packed up and get out of here. Yep, we made it back. Didn't take long.